to phonics. Let's get our bodies ready to learn. Make sure you're sitting in a chair, your eyes are looking at the screen, and your ears are listening. The letters A, E, I, O, and U are called vowels. Vowels can make different sounds. You already know that A says ah. Today, you will see a line above the A. The line above the A means A says its name. A. This is called a long vowel. Long vowels say their name. Touch the letter that says A. Touch the letter that says ah. Touch the letter that says A. Nice job touching long A. Let's keep going. We have one more new sounds to learn this week. You already know that C says K. What sounds does C say? K. Today, you will learn that sometimes C makes the S sound. Touch the letter that makes the S sound. S. Sometimes C says S. Ready? Let's review the long A and C sounds we just learned with our letter sounds from last week. I'll say a sound and you touch the letter that makes that sound. Get your finger ready to point. Touch V. V. V says V. Touch Qua. Qua. Q says Qua. Touch Z. Z. Z says Z. Z says Z. And sometimes S says Z. Touch A. A. Long A with the line on top says A. One more. Touch S. C says S sometimes. Beautiful work touching your sounds. Let's keep going. Do you see that the word face has an E at the end? You don't say the E. The E is silent. The silent E makes the vowel say its name. A. This word says face. Okay, it's time to use these new sounds we've learned to practice blending. I'll say some sounds. You blend the sounds together and find the words that they make. Get ready to touch the word. Listen when I make the sounds. Ace. Ace. Listen for your next one. K. Ape. K. Ape. Touch ace. Ace. Touch p-ack. P-ack. Touch k-a-l. K-a-l. Last one, you've got this. Touch l-8. ate. Beautiful work blending with long A, magic E, and our new S sound for C. Let's keep going. Okay, now I'll say a word and you show me the middle sound you hear in the word. This may be a little tricky. In the past, we've been thinking about the beginning sound. Remember, we're thinking about the middle sound in the word. Ready? Touch the middle sound you hear in the word race. A is the middle sound in race. Touch the middle sound in the word sit. I is the middle sound in sit. Touch the middle sound in Dane. A is the middle sound in Dane. You've got this. 2 more. Touch the middle sound in ram. A is the middle sound in ram. Touch the middle sound in tape. A is the middle sound in tape. Nice work, you guys. Let's keep going. Now I want you to use the sounds that you've learned to sound out some words. So I'll say a word and you sound it out. We're going to preview our words first. Can you say these words with me? Face, race, late, kale, cape, pack. Okay, I'll say the word and I want you to sound it out by touching the blue circles. If you need some help, I'll come in a few seconds to help you. Ready? Sound out face. Here's some help. Face. A. S. Sound out race. Here's some help. Race. Race. Keep it up. You're doing great. Sound out late. Here's some help. Late. Late. Sound out kale. Here's some help. Kale. 2 more. You've got this. Sound out cape. Here's some help. Ape. Last one. Keep in mind, this word doesn't have a magic E at the end, so the A makes its short vowel sound. Ah. Sound out pack. Here's some help. Pack. Pack. Beautiful work. Let's keep going. Alrighty. Now you're going to use all of the sounds and letters that you learned to read these words. I want you to read the word when my black arrow touches the word. If you're not sure what the word is, that's okay. I'll come in a few seconds to help you. Get ready. Read. Ape. Read. Make. Read. Face. Read. Rake. Read. Wave. This word has a C that makes its first sound. Read this word. Cane. Beautiful job reading your words. Alrighty, it's time for us to tackle our sight words. Sight words are tricky because you can't sound them out. You have to remember what they look like. These are our review words. Ready? I want you to read the word when I touch it with my black arrow. As. Read. To. Read. Go. Read. I. Beautiful job reviewing your sight words. Okay, we're going to move on to our new sight words. Sight words are tricky because you can't sound them out. You have to remember what they look like. These are our new sight words. Since they're new sight words, we're going to do 3 rounds of practice. For the first round, I just want you to touch and say the word as I touch and say it. Get your finger ready to point. Touch and say brother. Touch and say school. Touch and say for. Touch and say says. Touch and say. Touch and say hello. You're a rock star. Nice work. Okay, for this second round, I'm going to say the word and I want you to touch it. If you're not sure where the word is, don't worry. I'll come in with my black arrow in a minute to help you. Ready? Get your finger ready to point. Touch brother. Brother. Touch says. Says. Touch hello. Hello. Touch for. For. Touch school. School. Touch say. Say. You did a beautiful job learning your new sight words. Thanks so much for all of your hard work in phonics today.